and gentlemen, welcome to another vloggy vlog on this chilly Sunday. I decided to go for a little cruise to Bear Mountain, and it's quite possible that was a mistake, simply because it's chillier than I expected. And the worst part is that it's like 50 degrees. Well, it was like 47, now it's like 52. Over this summer break, I became a little princess. I became delicate and easily chilly. Are these people not going to pass each other? No, they're not, are they? Okay. We'll wait. We'll patiently wait. I don't usually use this right lane because it's for exit to the bridge. But it's okay. We'll use it for a little bit and then we dip to the left. Not bad. So yeah, I had a good weekend. Just chilling, relaxing. I'm going home right now to watch a little MotoGP. So that's exciting. But the fall is here. It's funny because I always say it, but recording vlogs takes away from my concentration. Oh, that's obvious. It takes away from the concentration on riding. And I really love this stretch of the road here. But the thing is, it's like, if you want to ride it aggressively, you have to spend all of your energy. Oh, look at this fucking prick. You have to spend all of your energy making moves and looking around for, you know, police or whatever, so they don't rain on your parade. And that's why, like, there's not much commentary that goes on. You know what I mean? Because it is a mess out here on them streets. There's no traffic ahead, but people are still driving slow. Why? Like, look at that turn. It's wide open. Nobody ahead. Alright, we're gonna go like this. Can we go around here? Yes. Okay. Not bad. Not a bad move. Cooking with a touch of butter. Not too much, as we're heading towards Triborough Bridge, RFK Bridge, through Bronx. Look at this madness. People are treating these turns like they're like crazy wild freaking turns and twisties, slowing down for like this. Amateurs. The whole goddamn lot. Whole goddamn lot. Gotta get in the middle lane here. Got a little fusion over here. We'll go to the left. That's fine. Dip out. And then pretty soon we're gonna go to the right. In half a mile. That's fine, bro. Do it. You got it. Get behind this 4. Calm down, slow down a little bit for this turn. This section here, there's always pow-pow. Always pow-pow. And we don't need no pow-pow, no mo. Yo. See what I'm saying? People slow way down there. Wow, it's actually a pretty fun turn. I might go behind this Mercedes because he's moving a little bit better. And there's a pole right there, apparently. Here we are on a bridge. Triborough. Whoa.